Welcome to Black Horse Garage in Bridgeport, Connecticut. I'm Don Laviano. We wanted to give you a quick overview and show you what's been going on here and see all the wonderful cars that we're going to be reviewing and taking a look at in the future. First, we're outside and you can see we already have some beautiful cars lined up here, ready to go. Some are for sale, some we just get to keep here at Black Horse Garage and look at. We're inside now. I'm going to show you just around a little bit, show you some of the cars that we got here on our museum floor, and we'll take a look at what we're working on in service. Come on, let's take a look. Take a look at all the beautiful classic automobiles we have in here. Just starting right here at the front, this is a Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. This one was restored perfectly to the nines. Look how beautiful that paint job is, and it has wonderful, beautiful matching leather luggage. We're going to do a review on this car someday, and I'm going to show you all the interesting features of it. You like $1 million Ferraris? I'm between a couple of them right here. Check out this Ferrari. This is a one-of-one prototype. It's the only one of its kind in existence. And this one over here, a 1965 Ferrari 275 GTB. Wow, what a stunner. Here's another 275. This is a Spider edition from 1966. We got cars from before the Great Depression, like this amazing Packard. And how many people still even know how to drive these type of cars? And speaking of driving, this one not only drives, but this Volkswagen Schwimmenwagen from the World War II era also is amphibious. It can go in the water. Here's a race car you don't see every day. This Hudson was built by the founder of Black Horse Garage, Frank Bonanno. And not only did he build it, but he raced it in the Great American Race. I should really put my overalls on so I can take this 1954 McCormick tractor out and till the land. We got an upstairs too, and it is filled with more beautiful cars. There's John, Paul, George, and Ringo, and then there's the Volkswagen Beetle. You like Mustangs, do you? We got new ones and classic ones. Check out this 1965 Shelby Mustang GT350. Whether your favorite decade is the 60s, the 70s, or the 80s, we got them all here at Black Horse Garage. But our winter storage spots are filling up. This one will not be available forever. Be sure to contact us to get your car in here for winter storage. Let's go take a look at service. We're in our service department now, and coming soon, I'm gonna get to show you the custom work we did on this truck. But that's for another time. Let's look at some of the other things. Here's another one that's coming soon. Who doesn't love Herbie? At Black Horse Garage, you can trust us to work on your classic Ferrari. And your classic car will drive straighter than it ever did off the factory line on our Hunter alignment rack. Oh yeah, and we do bikes too. Thanks for coming into Black Horse Garage for this quick little tour. We're gonna have more coming. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Black Horse Garage, and we'll have more fun videos of cars coming soon. But before I go, and if you come in, be sure to pick up your detailing supplies. What can I get? I need the wash and wax. I've got this special bag to take it all in, and all kinds of other t-shirts and fun merchandise thing. It's getting a little cold. I'm gonna take one of these winter hats, and I will see you next time.